Hello, this is LT Life, and I am here to show you my fidget cube. It has the light switch setting that you can keep doing, but there's no lights. It has these gears you can rub your fingers against. Rolly ball. This switch, game controller. This slidey thing. You can just rub your finger around it and make it move. Buttons that click. Well, 2 of them do. Well, 3. And then you have this mold that you can rub your finger against. Fidget cubes are not just for kids with ADHD, but they're also with kids who have anxiety problems. So yeah, that's it for now, and please like, subscribe, comment, and bye.